We will learn about animals and their babies. Cat, kitten, baby cat is called a kitten. Cat and kitten. Dog, puppy, baby dog is called a puppy. Dog and puppy. Cow, calf, baby cow is called a calf. Cow and calf. Hen, chick, baby hen is called a chick. Hen and chick. Sheep, lamb, baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep and lamb. Goat, kid, baby goat is called a kid. Goat and kid. Duck, duckling, baby duck is called a duckling. Duck and duckling. Pig, piglet, baby pig is called a piglet. Pig and piglet. Deer, fawn, baby deer is called a fawn. Deer and fawn. Elephant, calf, baby elephant is called a calf. Elephant and calf. Horse, foal, baby horse is called a foal. Horse and foal. Rabbit, bunny, Baby rabbit is called a bunny. Rabbit and bunny. Tiger. Cub. Baby tiger is called a cub. Tiger and cub. Lion. Cub. Baby lion is called a cub. Lion and cub. Donkey. Foal. Baby donkey is called a foal. Donkey and foal. Monkey. Infant. Baby monkey is called an infant. Monkey and infant. Giraffe. Calf. Baby giraffe is called a calf. Giraffe and calf. Zebra. Foal. Baby zebra is called a foal. Zebra and foal. Swan. Cygnet. Baby swan is called a cygnet. Swan and cygnet. Bear. Cub. Baby bear is called a cub. Bear and cub. Kangaroo. Joey. Baby kangaroo is called a joey. Kangaroo and joey. Penguin. Chick. Baby penguin is called a chick. Penguin and chick. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Tiny Tutors.